Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the MacBook Pro and signing into your Apple ID so core services sync. Once signed in, enable iCloud and Find My so files and recovery are automatic. This also ties into two-factor authentication for security. Enroll Touch ID and choose your keyboard layout to speed daily use, and connect to Wi-Fi so system updates and app downloads begin. Make sure to set a secure login password and agree to privacy settings before moving forward. Once basic setup is done, run software update and install all Mac OS and firmware patches to avoid compatibility problems. System stability improves when updates are current. Next, customize the dock, mission control layout, and trackpad gestures so navigation matches how you work. Set hot corners for quick actions. Install essential apps, browser, backup utility, productivity suite, and any command line tools, then sign into each so preferences migrate. Make sure Time Machine Backup is enabled before adding heavy data to prevent accidental loss. You finalize by establishing daily habits. Save to iCloud or use Time Machine backups and verify them periodically so recovery is simple. Monitor storage in About This Mac and enable optimized storage to keep performance smooth. Offload large media to external drives when needed. If you encounter freezes, first force restart. If problems persist, boot into safe mode, run disk utility first aid, and reinstall Mac OS as a last resort. If Touch ID or keyboard fails, reset the SMC or contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.